Google Fucsia, what is this Android and Chrome OS replacement? Google may be getting set to roll out a new operating system that could replace its famous Android and Chrome OS offerings. Google has quietly been working on a project known as Fuchsia, which could replace Android and Chrome OS. The idea behind this new operating system was to create a single unifying platform that works better for the future. Current Chrome OS and Android limitations make them less than ideal for the future of smart home gadgets and voice-controlled AI. Google Fuchsia could offer a single OS which looks and works the same across hardware. Another advantage is the Fuchsia OS could be updated more easily for tighter security. Fuchsia is also aimed at offering a private experience for the users without as much data collection as current Android and Chrome OS systems demand. This balance between privacy and ad sales has allegedly caused troubles at Google, where the future of Fuchsia remains unclear. Google Fuchsia is still not officially lined up for release and could still be absorbed back into another project. Following the recent EU ruling that Google must pay out £3.8 billion for anti-competitive behavior, Android's future could be in question too. The mobile OS, which operates on over 2 billion devices worldwide, is currently licensed for free but may end up costing, following this fine. The Fuchsia OS could run across Google hardware, from Pixel phones and laptops to smart speakers. Developers have already reportedly been working on making this system work with apps like YouTube for a purely voice-controlled focus. The plan, according to sources close to the development, is to roll Fuchsia out to devices like smart speakers in the next 3 years before moving it out to machines like laptops. Since Android currently powers more than 75% of the world's smartphones, this rollout will take time, realistically. Switching away from Android could provide Google the opportunity to hit the reset button on any mistakes they believe they made a decade ago, Jeffrey Grossman, co-founder of messaging app Confide, told Bloomberg. They might be able to regain some power that they've ceded to device manufacturers and telecom carriers. While Android was designed when smartphones were only just getting touch screens, Fuchsia is coming to take on the shift to voice controls, which Android just isn't built for. Fuchsia means moving away from the core Linux building blocks of the code that many hardware developers rely on. This is a huge move, so will likely take time to become a reality, but if the future is to run smoothly with smart machines, then it could be a change that has to happen.